Hello and welcome to the Cloud Computing School YouTube channel. In this how-to video, we will show you how to deploy Azure Container Apps (ACA) in the Azure portal. Azure Containers Apps is a purely PaaS cloud service which allows for serverless management of containers, based on an underlying and abstracted Kubernetes cluster via the Azure AKS service. Azure Container Apps are containerized apps which scale on demand, without requiring you to manage cloud infrastructure, such as AKS Kubernetes clusters. You'll need a container and an environment for your first app. Select existing resources, or create them via the Azure portal. To create a new Azure Container App, carry out the following steps. Log into https://portal.azure.com as a global admin user. On the top left-hand corner, click on Create a Resource. Search for Container App and click on Create under the Container Apps resource. On the Basics tab, enter the following parameter values: subscription and resource group, container app name, define a container app environment. A container app environment is a secure boundary around one or more container apps which can communicate with each other and share a virtual network, logging, and Dapper configuration. Choose a region for the container app environment and click Create New, then click Next. On the Container tab, check the Use Quick Start Image option to make use of a pre-made container image. If you uncheck this checkbox, you will have to provide a pointer to the container image path, either from an Azure Container Registry, from Docker Hub Registry, or other custom container image registry. Click Next to continue. On the Bindings tab, click on Add to add a new add-on binding. Azure Container Apps allows you to connect to add-ons that support your app that run in the same environment as your container app. Click Create New to create a new add-on binding. Type in a name for your new add-on binding. Available add-on binding types as of January 2024 are the following: Redis Cache, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Kafka, Drant. Choose your add-on type and click OK, then click Connect. Click Review and Create. After reviewing all deployment parameters, click Create. The internal parameter validation may take about 1 to 2 minutes before you are able to click Create. Please wait for your Azure Container App and Azure Container App environment resources to get provisioned. Now attempt to access the provisioned containerized application by accessing the ACA-FQDN via a web browser and validate that the container is up and running. You can also validate the status of the ACA environment resource. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Cloud Computing School YouTube channel to be notified of upcoming how-to videos.